Hi, everyone. This is John Ossipinsky, aka Lymphman. I want to remind you that tonight, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, we are having a Lymphatic Health Live. If you've been searching for answers to your health questions and you want to find real answers based on science, you need to come hear about the lymphatic system. We're going to be talking about SIBO, digestive disorders, Sjogren's, autoimmune diseases, anxiety. Really, we're going to hit it all. The lymphatic system is a system that maintains every system in your body, and we ignore it. And that's why we all are full of inflammation and having health problems. If you'd like to gain control over your health in the new year, join us. I promise you're going to find science that's going to make sense to you, and it's going to help you understand what you need to do to improve your health in the new year. Hopefully, we'll see you there. Lymphatic System Health Mastery Facebook group. That's the Lymphatic System Health Mastery Facebook group. Have a great day.